Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on Manage Apps, so the second option, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Other Settings and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And as you can see here, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.